This is how you change the motor mount on the Outlander without removing your front diff or unbolting it or anything, or lifting the motor up. So this is just a water connection fitting. See how it's beveled? It gets smaller up top there. So you cut it. Then you're going to want to grease it all up. Grease up your new bushing. This is the one that I replaced. So the new one's like tight in there. Tighter than this. It gets tight when it's down. You just push it in. See how there's like these flaps? Right? So you push your new, say this is your new one, your new bush, and you push it in there, and it like folds all those flaps up. And this is a little bit smaller than where the bushing goes on your motor. So you have this all greased up inside your motor a little bit. Then you just put this in where it's going to go on from the right hand side. You just push it in. It'll go in. These will stay folded up as it was in here. It'll stay like that inside your motor. It'll go in for about this distance before it's really hard to go through. So then, once this is inside your motor, to get it all the way through to the other side, to the left hand side, pretend this is your motor mount bolt. You're going to want to put it in from the right hand side. It's like a spacer. So the mount bracket will be like this on the other side, right here. You put your spacer like this, the mount bracket will be in between here. And then you put your nut on the end. Then you tighten this, and it pulls the bushing into the other side, right to the left hand side. And then these will pop out just like normal, and they'll be in. No lifting your motor mount or nothing. Your front diff. And to get this out of the left hand side, all I did was cut this much of it, because you can kind of see that much easily. Get your X-Acto knife or whatever, cut it, and then this will be easier to fold in, and it will fold inside the motor. You just push it with like a screwdriver or something, and it'll go all the way to the right hand side and pull it out with tweezers or whatever. And that's how you do that.